How to archive chats on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can archive chats on Messenger. So first of all, open your Messenger app and now make sure you are logged into your Messenger account. Now let's say this is the person whom you want to archive your chats with. So what archive does is basically, if you archive this chat right over here, it will simply not show on your feed while the chat will remain as it is. Now if you archive someone on Messenger, their chat will simply not show up on your feed without having to restrict or block them. So that is the main advantage of archiving someone. So in order to archive them, simply long press on their chat. After that, a bunch of different options will show up where you'll have to tap on the first option, which is archive. Now as you can see, we have archived the person and that chat is no longer showing over here. And now if you search their name, there you'll be able to view all of the chats intact. So that is basically how you archive chats on Messenger. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.